Yeah, yeah. Well, hold up. I'll just show you. There's my beautiful fucking baby. But yeah, about to have that exhaust ring. Got that Flowmaster sitting right there. I know you see it right there on the ramp, but it's about to be put on and then be coming out. The exhaust gonna come out like right there. Yeah, I have a feeling that shit gonna sound good. I got the most aggressive one there is too. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna learn today. Man, I could have already been gone out this bitch. But the motherfucker over here playing. Oh yeah. It's up in there. See it with the orange sticker. It's about to get welded on. Oh yeah, got that bad boy coming out. Ooh wee, pretty. Oh yeah, getting there. Man, I hope this shit sounds good. As good as I think it's going to. 4.0 Flowmaster. Oh yeah. How can you go wrong? Oh yeah, baby's coming down. Come on down. Can't wait to hear how it sounds. Oh yeah, got it chopped up. Down at the angle. Oh yeah, it's all done. About to hear baby start up. That's what I can't wait for. Here we go. Oh yeah. Fuck yeah, that sounds nice. Nice. Oh hell yeah. Very happy with that.